Hi, my name is Dan. This is my 170 Sprinter 3500 XD dually. Come check it out.
Hi, I'm Emily.
And I'm John.
Baby Charlie is just down there, you'll probably see him in a moment. We want to do another van tour video, you might have seen our brothers.
What's up, everybody? I'm with Brandon, or you guys may know him as Buck SD. We've got the AC running in his newest creation that he's finally done. Let's get this tour going today, right here, right now.
Hey guys, we're Tim and Katie and we're super excited to show you guys our newest van conversion.
Vans in all different types of ways. This is our way of doing it.